Hello friends, welcome back to another unboxing. Today we're checking out this heating pad by Treatlife. It's super soft, 16 by 24 inch, washable with 3 temperature settings. Let's open this thing up here and see what we got. Okay, that was easy. Right, so on top we have the instructions and how to use. Switch it on, how to set the temperature control key, timers. Okay, let's see what's in the bag here. That's it for the box. And now, oh wow, that is soft. My goodness, a little baggy there. Okay, so here we have the power cord. Plugs in here. Let's undo the little twist tie here, shall we? So I like a nice long cord, so hopefully this is fairly long. Oh yeah, that is it's over 6 feet, so that's good. I'm guessing maybe 5, almost 7 feet long, so that's good. I hate to have like a short cord and you have your outlet's farther away or something and you can't get to it. Wow. Okay, first impression, super soft here. I just want to snuggle with it, but I can't because okay. Right. It's like larger than it's 24 inches by 16 inches here, so that's good sized heating pad. Alright, what do we have here? Okay, here we have, is this the plug in here? I think, let's see here. Yes, there's the plug in right here on the side, so that would plug in like this. Dun, dun, dun. Just like so. Okay, and this looks like the outer cover, which there's a zipper here also. Let me unplug this again. Okay, outer cover has a nice little zipper, and looks like you could pull that off and wash the outer cover, so that comes out. That's cool. The inner one is also quite soft, so I'm really kind of excited to try this out. You know, if you got like a sore leg or something, or a back or whatever, put a nice little bit of heat on there and it feels good. Or maybe you just want to, I don't know, can you just go to sleep with a nice little warm heating pad on you if you're on a cold day? Maybe. It has a timer on this thing, so you could probably do that. That is that for this video, just the unboxing. I'm going to check out the instructions, and I will be doing a review as well as a demonstration here coming up. So thanks for watching this unboxing of the Treatlife 24 inch by 16 inch fast heating machine washable 3 temperature setting moist heat therapy relief pad. Boy, that was a mouthful. Anyways, my friends, have a great day. We'll see you next time.